I wonder what kind of creature made this.
Not an ant.
Hello, I'm Chief Ranger Tom Kneipp, and we're at Bear Creek Lake State Park in Cumberland County, Virginia. We get a lot of questions about these. People ask me, who made them? What are they for? Well, these are made by crayfish. Crayfish are sometimes also called crawdads, or they're called mud bugs, and this is one of the reasons they're called mud bugs. What the crayfish have done is, down in the ground, made little balls of mud, and then stacked them up on top of each other, leaving a hole in the middle, and creating a chimney. Not all crayfish are burrowing crayfish. Some live in the water alone, but those that do come out on land to search for food will create these chimneys. And what is that for? Well, the chimney is actually their home going down into the ground to bring them to the water table level. In the lake, here's our level. Underground, the water is still about this far underground. The reason the chimney is a little higher is just because of the mud that they've brought up to do that. And crayfish are aquatic animals. They're crustaceans. They have an exoskeleton. And they're very interesting little animals. So why do they build these here? Just because of the proximity to the water. In other areas with a lower water table, with a high water table, and in a wetland sort of environment, they might not be right along a creek or close to a lake. They might be a little farther inland. One of the things crayfish chimneys do, besides providing them a home, which sometimes put them in conflict with people, is that by burrowing in the earth and exposing holes that allow in water, they can slightly erode lake banks, creek banks, and dams, things like that. So it's one of the conflicts crayfish and people have, but we still have to admire their creativity and ingenuity and ability to survive both in the water and on land.